guys, welcome back to this rather unfortunate video I'm going to be making for you guys. And in this video I'm going to be talking about the damage that I've done to my car, and yeah, we're going to be getting it fixed. So yeah, bit of bad news but bit of good news. As you can see, you got Josh down from Essex Smart Repairs. He's fixing the side there. So what happened is I was doing a thumbnail for one of my YouTube videos back in the day, and obviously I've just realised quite recently that when I was trying to jump on the roof, I kind of used my palm, and my palm has obviously created that indent there on the side. And with the car getting moved on, I just thought it's best if I put it in the best condition possible and get all the changes done. So it's only fair that the new owner's got a car that isn't obviously brand new, but it's in a very good condition, bearing in mind I've got no scratches and no dents anywhere else. But yeah, that's it. Literally right over here, before you can see there was a little dent, but now it's literally flush. And again, with obviously, like I said, with me moving the car on, I want to make sure it's in pristine condition. And thanks to Josh, who's shooting off there. Top man Josh, see you later mate, see you later mate. Yeah, as I was saying, it's all sorted. So yeah, that is probably the final bit that I need to do to the car in terms of like getting it ready. The next video you'll see on my channel, that was weird, channel will be the removal of the parts. So again, the spoiler, the GFB DV, I've got a little strut, not strut, I've got a bonnet holder which is obviously on the suspension strut. But yeah, that is it guys. This little journey, the little A250 little Mercedes journey, is coming to a close. So I'm not going to give you guys, some of you guys probably could guess, but I'm not going to give you too many hints as to what I'm getting next. But in terms of the car, it's definitely going to be a hatchback, it's definitely going to be turbocharged, and it's definitely going to be petrol. So yeah, stay tuned guys. But yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe, give it a like and all of that stuff, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. God bless.